Well guys, it's time to take the Star Chief to the exhaust shop and get some real exhaust on it instead of my nasty Flowmasters, and get my glass packs and O2 sensors and all that put on here, and have it run all the way straight out of the back, and I think it'll sound pretty good, guys. I hope so anyways. Didn't really get any footage of my way to the exhaust shop, but I went ahead and got it dropped off, drove it onto the lift, and left it in their hands for them to work their magic. Well, I just got her back from the exhaust shop with these new glass packs. Riding around through town right now, so I'm not going to put the phone up, but I think she sounds pretty good, guys. Well guys, I got this old horse crap off here. I'm going to repurpose some pipes because I just tack welded them together to get me around till I could get an appointment to get exhaust and all that good stuff. But really, I think they've done a really good job on it from what I've seen so far. Except I asked them for an H pipe, and I got it home and looked up under it, and I completely forgot to give me the H pipe. But I mean, they didn't charge me for it, so I guess it's okay. I can do an H pipe on my own here, but they done pretty good on it. They put my O2 sensor plugs in it, so I'll have to put the O2 sensors in when I get ready to do it, which I might do that pretty soon. But I had to make them flares so that it actually go on the manifold. It's acting like that's going to be a big deal, but it doesn't look like it was to me. But it was an all-day job for them yesterday. Good, guys. The mufflers themselves, I actually got off of Northeastern Exhaust. I'm pretty sure what they're called. They're stainless steel, so that's why I got them, to match this aluminized pipe. And they was only like 70 bucks. And all the glass pack mufflers you pay for, they're steel when you pay that price for them. And they'll actually rot out after some time. And the exhaust itself is aluminized, so you know, I wanted a whole system that wasn't gonna rot out. Well, I guess now is the point in the video where I've run it up the road and let y'all hear what it sounds like going down the road and running through the gears. I would call the new glass packs a win. I think they sound really good. The car does really good with them, and it really suits the car a lot better than the Flowmasters. So I appreciate all y'all watching, and I hope y'all don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a good one.